Hey guys, recently I did a video on this Amsico horn strobe, labeling it as the worst sounding fire alarm of all time. After going through my collection and exploring some of the different devices I had, I may have a runner-up for one of the worst sounding alarms. And I, in my opinion, believe it's this. This is a pretty rare horn strobe. This is a Cerberus Pyrotronics MC-S17-F. This is an electronic horn strobe with 3 tones: horn, warble, and siren. And in this video, I am going to demonstrate all 3 of those tones, and especially concerning the siren and warble tone, see if you guys agree with me when I say that this rivals this for one of the most horrific sounds a fire alarm can make. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, the regular horn setting. Next up, warble tone. Sounds funny when it burns power off. Last but not least, siren tone. That's awful even with hearing protection. So, in conclusion, are either of these the worst sounding alarm ever? Well, that's all based on opinion. And in my opinion, 110% yes. These are awful on your ears if you don't have hearing protection. And even with hearing protection, they're still not great. But that's what makes these so unique and cool and why they're so collectible. So, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.